project we do pushes the laser a little further. Some are small, some are simple, but this time we decided to go massive and detailed. Earth turned into wall art. Let me show you the designs, let me show you the settings, and let me show you the final product at the end of the video. Follow me. Here I am in Corel Draw working on the earth design. I'm just deleting any unnecessary curves and I'm cleaning up the layers a bit to simplify the design and get it ready for the cutting. Here in LightBurn, I started by importing the design. I'm using the machine's camera to position it perfectly. For the engraving, my speed was set to 800 and my power to 18 with air assist off. For the cutting, since this is thicker wood, I set the speed to 9 and my power to 90, and I turn the air assist on to make sure the cut comes out perfect. Looks so cute. This project taught me so much. I had to deal with the burnt edges, I had to sand it down, and there were moments that I wanted to give up. But that's part of the process. Every project teaches you something new. And at the end of the day, it was so worth it and I'd do it all over again.